हाय वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल अब्बास ऑफिशियली। तो आज की इस वीडियो के अंदर हम आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने जा रहे हैं कि फेसबुक मार्केट प्लेस से आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। फेसबुक मार्केट प्लेस किया और इसके ज़रिए से आप लोग कैसे अर्न करेंगे ये हम आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रहे हैं। तो वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आप लोग हमारे चैनल के ऊपर फर्स्ट टाइम है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल नोटिफिकेशन को प्रेस कर दें। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के इस वीडियो को। Most people are familiar with the local buy and sell and trade Facebook groups that are an incredibly popular way to sell your unwanted items. Having a virtual year-round yard sale can be a great way to keep your closets cleaned out and make some extra cash without the hassle of a traditional yard sale. What many people don't know is that you can now ship items through Facebook Marketplace similar to a transaction on eBay or Poshmark, but even easier and with fewer pinnable Pinterest graphics with image of stack of folded clothing and a clothes item with text above starting how to sell and ship stuff on Facebook Marketplace. Best tips for quick profit. Benefits of shipping with Facebook Marketplace. The biggest reasons I love using the shipping option on Facebook Marketplace. No meetups, no dealing with no shows for meetups, no putting on makeup, getting the kids out of the house and having socially awkward in-person interactions. Did I mention you don't have to meet with people or even leave your house? Seriously, the benefits are obvious for this time. Current introverted mom. I can list items when I have time, check my sales at the end of the day, print the shipping labels and have them ready to get to go to the next morning. Here, however, there are a few things you will need to get started. Before you ship on Marketplace, here what you need to ship items from your Facebook account. Copy paper plus reliable printer. When an item sells on Marketplace, Facebook provides a shipping label based on the weight you provided in your listing. So you will need to be able to print your label either from your phone if you have a wireless connection set up with your printer or from a computer. I love the HP Instant Ink program which has saved us a lot of money on ink in the last year. Tape and scissors probably obvious but worth mentioning especially if your kids have a tendency to steal yours like mine do. You need to use invisible tape all the way around your shipping label without covering up the scan code. Postage scale. Postage scale like this one on Amazon are inexpensive and are must have for selling online. You will need this to accurately weigh your items before you list them. There are lightweight bags for mailing lightweight items such as clothing. They should have a strong self-adhesive stripe to secure your package. There are two approximate sizes I recommend having which should cover most sizes of clothing and shoes. You could go even smaller for baby clothing or jewelry, the advantage being that they might fit better in your mailbox. However, the shipping price is weight based, not based on the package size, so you can get away with a larger poly mailer which makes them pretty versatile as you can easily fold them down as needed. Another option is to save bags you get in a mail from Old Navy, remove the labels or turn them inside out and use clear shipping tape to secure it. I have done this a few times in a pinch. I prefer to only ship it items that can fit in a poly mailer and I will explain why below. What items sell best on Facebook Marketplace? There are people who actually earn a living reselling online. Basically, nearly anything you could sell at a yard sale, you can sell and ship from Facebook. Since I want to keep it as simple and low risk as possible, I personally look for items that are very easy to weigh and ship from my mailbox. For the most part, I stay away from fragile or bulky items. So the items I sell most often are clothing, mine and kids' shoes sell really well, purses and wallets, backpacks, housewares like curtains and tablecloths, custom jewelry. How much can you make selling on marketplace? Obviously, my goal is not a full-time income from a marketplace, but to clean out my closets and have some extra cash each month. In the first 6 months I have sold on Marketplace, I sold a total of 106 items for a total of about $550 for as little effort as I have put into it, maybe an hour a week. I am pretty pleased with that return, especially considering most items I sell are $5 or less and I have made for far more than I would have at a traditional yard sale. तो फेसबुक मार्केट प्लेस पे आप लोग शिपिंग वगैरह करके और मार्केट प्लेस के ज़रिए से किस तरह से अर्निंग कर सकते हैं ये देखा हमने। वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टेक केयर।